Confidence is not something you have before you start anything. It's something you build by trying again and again. Confidence comes with practice. I truly understood this the day I gave my first presentation in college. It went really bad. I know, really, very, very bad. I still remember that moment. I was standing on the stage, facing the whole class. My hands were shaking, my voice were trembling. I knew the topic, but I couldn't speak properly. Maybe you have seen this before, someone giving a presentation for the first time. They shiver, their hands shake, they feel scared looking at so many people sitting in front of them. That was exactly me. It was so embarrassing. I wasn't able to speak even a single line confidently and properly. After that, after that presentation, my teacher told me something very important. She said to me, "You know the concept, but you lack in confidence. You are not able to present what you know." And she was actually right. I realized that I wasn't bad at English that much. I wasn't bad at the subjects. I was lacking practice. That was my first presentation in life. So, of course, I was scared. I was nervous very much. My teacher suggested me something very simple and important, that practice more. Practice with yourself at home. Practice in front of your friends before the presentations. So I listened her. When I gave my third or fourth presentation, I have seen something different with myself. It was so much better than the first and second time. At that time, I was in first year of college. Now I am in second year. So after giving so much presentations in the first year, I can honestly say I feel much more confident now. Not because I became perfect, but because I have done a lot of practice. My communication skills have improved a little. I can feel that. But also, I know I still need a lot of improvements. That's why I practice whenever I get time. And and this is something I truly believe. If you if you if you feel you don't have confidence, you are probably lacking something in practice. If you practice daily, confidence will come automatically. So practice whenever you get time. This time right now is the best time to practice. Later in life you may not get so much time. So practice in front of your friends, practice in front of your family. If they really support you, they will tell you where you are making the mistakes and how you can improve your mistakes. Your friends will always help you, and your family too. You can also practice in front of the mirror. I do sometimes when no one is there at home. So I stand in front of the mirror and practice speaking. It helped me to notice where I pause, where I'm going wrong, and where I need improvement. So yes, practice more, because confidence doesn't come first, practice comes first, and confidence follows you. If If practice can turn fear into confidence, imagine what daily practice can do for you. So, stay motivated and keep working on your English every day, just like me. At last, be grateful the things you have. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.